blasted off from Sirius in 2038. The crowds were kinda rowdy, but the food was really great. Next up on the tour is the planet I love most. The humans all are sexy and they love to watch our shows. We're the Cosmic Bandits. We've come to rock your planet. If you're in luck, we might abduct you too. There's only 12 notes on the music staff, but 3 chords and the truth is all you really need. There's only 26 letters in the alphabet, but no one really cares about the ones like Q and Z. You mix them all together in a soup of creativity and add some salt and grab a spoon to taste. No matter if you improvised or stuck close to the recipe, the soup is yours, no one can take your pot away. Oh. Vegan zombies like cauliflower because it looks like brains. They can munch on it for hours. It never feels no pain. And though they never would complain, they know it doesn't taste the same as a lightly salted, juicy human brain. Temptation. Let's slash grandma's tires on election day. Let's make her stay at home so she won't have a say. Sally, take her walker while I hide away her coat. Let's make sure that grandma doesn't vote. Let's slash grandma's tires on election day. You've heard the things she says about the Jews and gays. Around the big Thanksgiving table I won't say a single word, but now let's not let our grandma's voice be heard. Oh me, oh my Nana. You're standing there like a statue, so I decided to ask you, do you wanna dance? And then you took my hand and you swung me around the grand old ballroom. You said, it's nice to meet you, now let's get married. I can see you like to boogie down, but if you're looking for a wedding gown, I'm not your suitor. I just wanted to dance. They optimized my bottlenecks, removed redundant pointer checks. The database's subselects are indexed to a T. They shaved the microseconds down till there was nothing left to count. I instantaneously found the answer in a breeze. But I've been feeling so alone. Nobody here's called me from a function or a phone. If I'm dead code, let me die, 'cause I'm only wasting memory alive. I nailed every code review, my scope and reach was absolute. From testing groups to inner loops, I blew them all away. And then one day it all just when life begins to snow. You throw me on to keep you warm like you did so long ago. 'Cause I am your clothes. You touch me every day. You let me get so close to you, and then you put me away. 'Cause I am just your clothes. We don't intend to hurt you, yeah, but freedom is a virtue. In the name of all that's righteous, we'll give you all this liberty and peace. We'll liberate your streets. If you haven't heard the holy word, we'll teach you when the ash and dirt have settled on your heathen church tonight. If truth won't come from the barrel of a gun, then we're bringing out the heavy stuff, alright. Bombs away! Bombs away! Bombs away! Bombs away! It's Monday night and I am singing on this makeshift stage that's swinging every time my foot goes in the air. The one guy who was listening, he took off when I broke a string, and stumbling out, he tripped over my chord. Screw this pit, I'm through with it. 0000007B is not the kind of thing you wanna see. And the streetlights burn out one by one as you walk beneath them. Now it has begun. And the preacher on the corner who was screaming about the end of days, his wheeled cross is all that now remains. As an eerie calm has taken hold, the air is turned a bitter cold. Howdy, buddy. My name is Bob. How are you today? Did you come here looking for a brand new Chevrolet? Well, used is fine, I suppose. We sure do got a lot of those. I got everything you'll ever need. I got V8 engines for the kick-ass speed. I got everything you need, no money down. I like this riff, so I think I'm gonna write a song with it. It's light and calm and sweet and at the same time upbeat. But I can't think of what to say, so I'll just write it anyway. But now I need a chorus. This would be perfect if only the verse fit. I don't know how I'd mash the two together. It's maybe a new tune called Once in a Blue Moon, about the chance of finding love. But it's already been done. There must be a million sad sack stories in the U. I was sleeping on the floor when he showed up at my door and said it's time to pack a bag and get away. The scientists are coming, so we better get a running before the nanobots invade our brains. They will fly into your nose and take a journey down your throat until they burrow from your lungs into your blood. And pumping from your heart, you'll see them flowing through your arteries. And then the nanobots invade your brain. I looked at him like he had lost his mind, while he gathered up the Cheetos and the wine. I asked him where we'll go. He said he really didn't know, but we're sure as shooting running out of time. He said the government is watching while you're sleeping or you're shopping, but your thoughts are hidden deep inside your skull. They need a better spy if they're gonna get inside. They know the nanobots will heed the call.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you, from some planet whose name I don't know, here for one night only, it is the Cosmic Bandits!
Thank you.
In the shadow of the spacecraft, everybody looking down at planet Earth around the base of the flag shaft. Now it's time to extract your dance reserve.
Now we're dancing in the moonlight. 'Cause every light on the moon is the moonlight. Now we're dancing in the moonlight. 'Cause every light on the moon is the moonlight.
Let's dance. All the ladies in the spacesuits wave their hands in no air like they just don't care. All the boys in the spacesuits shake around like a shot from an electric chair.
Now we're dancing in the moonlight. 'Cause every light on the moon is the moonlight. Now we're dancing in the moonlight. 'Cause every light on the moon is the moonlight.
Let's dance.